Hello! Let's create all your HR workflows in one place by building a custom HR portal where you can add training solutions, HR surveys, and employee directory dashboards with no code required. This way, you can automate and organize your hiring process, employee onboarding and offboarding, as well as the leave requests. First, let's go to our template gallery. This is where you can find ready-to-use templates, which you can easily edit to fit your particular needs. To add a template to your workspace, click Edit this template. Let's add this employment application form and this employee training management app to centralize all of your data in one place by collecting team data, documents, and directories. Gain visibility into task status by visualizing them in the Kanban board. Nice! Your templates are now available in your dashboard home. This employment application form has multiple steps that are all customizable to your wants and needs. It also contains a success message at the end, which your respondents will see once they finish the form. You can even add a link to your success message to redirect respondents to another page or form after completing the form. Enable partial submissions to view the unfinished responses of people who start answering the form, answer a few of your questions, and leave. Use these insights to improve your projects and conversion rates. Use incomplete responses to gain more insight into your users. Once you've customized your form, you can start customizing to make it yours from the Design tab. Here is where you can choose to show all of the questions on the same page or each question separately. You can also shuffle the order of questions or the order of the options inside the fields. Change the theme and colors of your form, add a background image, or even customize the text on buttons and messages. When you're ready to publish your form, you can add it to your website as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Don't worry though, you don't need to understand programming to make it work. Just copy the code that Formaloo gives you and paste it into your website, and it starts to work right away. Then build an app to categorize and organize your collected data. Easily create a Kanban board categorized by the status of your leads, documents, and directories. In this Kanban board, you can create different tasks and assign them to different team members, drag and drop your cards to a different section once a task has been finished and can be moved to the next step. Every new response on your form will automatically show up in your CRM pipeline, and your sales team can follow up on them right away. You will also get immediate insights into the responses through charts and visualizations. Just add a new page to your app and choose Charts or Advanced Charts. Advanced Charts help you compare fields and build advanced custom visualizations on your data. And the status is an admin-only field that is only visible to the admins, and your survey takers will know about it. You don't need to be a data expert to get insights from your data anymore. And that's it! From here you can start sharing forms, documents, tasks, and efficiently manage your hiring process with our no-code form and app builder. With Formaloo surveys, the things you can achieve are endless. This is a tool that will make you want to do more for your customers, whether it's building forms and polls from scratch or tracking the responses to keep in touch with your customers in a better way. Say goodbye to all of those unorganized duplicate data in multiple applications and say hello to Formaloo. Happy Formalooing!